Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off high contrast letters on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To turn this option off, we have to go to the settings. Next, we'll have to go to accessibility features. It's at the bottom of the menu. Next, at the top, accessibility. And here we have our options, high contrast text. To turn it off, we simply need to tap it once and our letters are like it was by default. High contrast is turned off. The black border around our letters is now gone. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.